Imagine renting the movie Dumb and Dumber Goes Wild, expecting over-the-top wacky comedy. Then, just 2 minutes into the movie, there's already a serial killer wearing a mask chasing people with an axe. 5 more minutes and you're crawling under your seat because you're terrified of horror movies, and this one appears to be trying to set a new dead meat body count record. Dumb and Dumber may be a fantastic horror movie, but the problem is it's appealing to the wrong audience. People associate Dumb and Dumber with comedy, not horror. So when you're planning to record your next video, you want to try to nail down the audience that you expect to be watching that video when you're all done. But how do you do that? Start by thinking about the type of video you're about to make. Are you doing a campaign playthrough where you plan to upload in episodes? Your viewer is probably someone wanting to casually watch or listen to the video while doing something else. However, if it's a tips and tricks type video, the viewer is going to be very actively engaged in the video content because they're trying to overcome some kind of an obstacle or get better at the game. And they're probably going to want you to give them the answer to what they're looking for pretty quickly, or they're going to move on to another video. Perhaps it's a game review type video. The people watching this video are going to be people who are actually about to spend cash, so you want to make sure you present yourself as somebody that is trustworthy about the opinion you're about to give. And you can do this by showing them how thorough your review process was throughout the course of that video. The game itself can also be an excellent way to figure out a potential audience. Is it a brand new game? People will probably be looking for playthroughs, tips and tricks type videos, and game reviews. If it's a long-running MMO type game, people will probably be looking for gameplay guides, how to level fast or make in-game currency, might even be looking for current year reviews. Heavily YouTube saturated games like Minecraft and Fortnite, people searching there might be looking for tips and tricks, but they might also just be people that have played it a lot and they're looking for something very unique and different that they haven't seen before. Perhaps gamers who have been setting some of their own challenges to make the game more difficult. Reviewing your channel analytics can also give you some fantastic insight into the audience that have been visiting your channel and the people that are already subscribed. If you come here to your channel analytics and click see more here underneath the graphs, right here select the traffic source, scroll down and select YouTube search. This will show you a list of the search words that people typed that led them to your channel. It can also be helpful to change the amount of time. A shorter amount of time may show you the words that are trending on your channel, whereas if you do a longer search, you can find out what your channel might be more popular for. Checking out the viewer age tab can also be helpful because how you might talk to an 18-year-old might be very different than how you talk to a 38-year-old. One more tab I'll show you. If you select the video, change the view by video to subscribers, scroll down here and make sure your subscribers are listed from top to bottom. This will list the subscribers that click the button because of that video. These aren't going to be subscribers just because you remembered to ask in those videos. Maybe you remembered to ask, but it's a combination of maybe you remember to ask and the viewer thought that the content was worth subscribing for, so hopefully they could get some more content from you. Looking at the analytics of my gaming channel, you can see that the top 5 subscriber grabbing videos are all guide related. So most likely if I put more guide videos on my channel, they're going to continue to perform very well. Sometimes there's already an audience looking for a video, and then all you have to do is make the video that answers what they're looking for. Go check out the social sites specific to the game that you're wanting to make content on. The actual game website forums or the Reddit associated with that game are fantastic places to go look for ideas. Scroll through the titles, see if there is anything repeating itself. If you see somebody ask a question, go through and read the comments that were replied to that. You might find people that are very experienced that have already given some fantastic answers to that question. Then, using the information that you already have about the game, plus the research that you did about the game, put a video together about that and post it on your channel. It just might take off as people begin to find you're answering the question they were looking for. Another awesome thing you can do is check the comment sections underneath the video games that you want to make videos for. If you see something popping up a lot, that could be a good sign that that's a video just waiting to be made. Once you've nailed down the potential audience for your next video idea, now all you got to do is tailor that video for that audience. Video length is a key component in making a video just right. So check out this video right here next, where I show you some best practices for determining the perfect length for your next video. Until next time, you be safe out there. I will see you on the next one.